Onto an India Today exclusive. Over the last 7 days, we have seen young men take to the streets of Kashmir, pelting stones at security forces. It's been said by some that these men are representative of the disaffection that youth in the valley feel. But it turns out that these stray incidents may not be so spontaneous after all. India Today has an exclusive video of one of the stone pelters caught by security agencies, and in this video, he has exposed the reality of stone pelting and what goes on behind the scenes. Listen in.
बहुत है कितना 500,000 दो चीज हमारी गैंग में 20-30 है।
तुम लोगों को पत्थर मार के क्या मिलता है?
वो पैसे देता है, हम बेरोजगार है।
All right, let's also put in a small caveat that this is not a video that can be independently verified by India Today. It has been released to us by our police sources, but it is startling what this man is saying. And Gaurav Sawant, executive editor, joins us on that story. It's ridiculous. It's painful, Gaurav, what this man is saying, because he's saying that at least 20 to 30 young men, and they couldn't be more than about 20 to 25 years of age, they are being paid 500 rupees a day and being literally thrown in as cannon fodder.
I have spoken to top officers in Jammu and Kashmir police and in the CRPF and on record, and they are confirming, one, this man that you see on your television screen, he has recently been arrested in Kashmir, and he told his interrogators that he was paid, that he's a paid stone pelter. Gilani's men paid him 500 rupees to pelt stones along with other boys. He also named the person who's paid money. Now, another story that, we're just about to get more details on is money flow. Vehicles have been intercepted by security forces carrying stones and carrying money. It is a matter of investigation where that money was going. We are not putting two and two together, but is every stone pelter coming out of anger and frustration, or are elements being paid for it? It is these pictures, they speak for themselves, Padmaja.
Absolutely. And Gaurav, let's make it clear that here is this man who, without any incitement, is naming Syed Ali Shah Gilani and is saying that we are being paid 500 rupees per day. Each young man on the streets is being paid. Isn't it time then that there should be closer scrutiny on these people who are claiming to work for the interests of Kashmiris but are actually throwing these men in harm's way?
Spot on there. You are absolutely right. My sources in the police say that even if on day 1 and day 2, after Burhan Wani was killed in an encounter with security forces, it was spontaneous anger. Even if it was, because according to them, even on day 1 and day 2, it wasn't spontaneous. The movement, the traditional hotspots were silent. New areas, for example, the place where the police station was set on fire, that has had absolutely no history of any incidents or stone pelters being out, but a police station in an area was set on fire. So all that is indicative that there was somebody who was actually orchestrating and continues to orchestrate it from across the line of control. There are intercepts, there are messages, and from what sources are telling me, they want the situation to come under control, or very strict action is likely to be taken against some of those people who've been paying money to the stone pelters.
Absolutely, and after that there should also be a scrutiny of where exactly is this money coming from. Gaurav, thanks very much. Listen in to this man again. This is a video that India Today has accessed. The man you're going to hear right now is a young man who was arrested for stone pelting. He reveals his source of funding and incitement. Listen in.
मुझे गोली मार दे, मैं मरना चाहता हूँ। मुझे गोली मारो, मुझे गोली मारो। गिलानी ने बोला, गिलानी ने वही पैसे देता है हमें। 500 देता है, 500 रुपए एक आदमी का। हाँ, एक आदमी को 500।
कितने आदमी हो?
बहुत है।
कितना? 500,000
500 दो चीज हमारी गैंग में 20-30 है।
तुम लोगों को पत्थर मार के क्या मिलता है?
वो पैसे देता है, हम बेरोजगार है।
2008 मज पकान यपर छसबल किनत बाइक पे और सैर तमो रोटस बह तम न्यूज बह लिथान छसगलस पे कर बह तमो तमो वन कैमरस ब्रो कन दिवान गिलानी 500 रुपये बे दिवान ड्रग्स नशे चारस हु वारिया चीज दिवान बेस ग्रुपस मज वारिया लड़का बह जान सिगरेट चोन कहें तो तम पे गई तुम वोन यह दिवान गिलानी 5-5 बह माना तम वन कहें पे फट मे तम नर खोर नर तम पे मोन मे तम कह तम वन मे लगे गूल मगर बह वन नो कहें तम पे तम मे खोरन तो यड़ कमरस रोक नोर मरचांगन जख्मन तम पे वो मे तम ये कैमरस ब्रो कह दिवान गिलानी 5-5 बह जान यानी कि मे वुचमुत मे गिलानी वन तम वो मे 5,000 रटमत बह सोद सात बस तम सात पारान आज मे तम हावान सह वीडियो वनकस हो ओतर पे ये कंटिन्यू यह हावान 2008 तो वन मे बसान यह पे जानस खतरा हावान तो हावान मीडिया वाल 2008 वीडियो आज बे रोटस बह तम सात जबरदस्ती हनोक मे बयान नत मे वुन तक कंजा वंजा कोर्मुत कहें।